A lot of people don't want to pay something because they're scared of this thought that you're going to start it over. Okay. You're paying it off. You're paying it off. You're settling it. There is nothing to start over. Okay. It's done. So don't let that stall you. Okay. It can't extend the time frame it shows up on your credit. It has a hard fast, like stop at 7 years. It can't restart the clock on the amount of time it can be on your credit report. When they're talking about restarting, all they're saying is you have this debt out there and they call you on Christmas and go, hey, we don't want to be in your face. Give us $1 towards this debt that you charged off and we'll get the rest later. And you pay the $1. That restarted, not the timeline for the credit report, can't change that. That restarted the statute of limitations for how long they have to sue you for that debt. $1. You're better off just waiting until you can do a lump sum settlement. It doesn't matter if you settle for $2 or you pay him the full amount. Does not matter. There's no difference in the score.